Tip 1. Camera angle. A good camera angle should be at eye level. This way, you're looking straight at your audience, which creates a natural and confident connection. Avoid positioning the camera too low or high. It feels distant and can be distracting. Instead, try propping your device on books or a stand until it's level with your eyes. Tip 2. Straight posture. Sit or stand up straight with your shoulders relaxed. Slouching can make you appear uninterested or tired. So, keep your spine tall and remember to smile, it shows you're engaged. Tip 3. Good lighting. It can make or break your presentation. Ideally, face a natural light source like a window or use a soft light in front of you. Avoid backlighting. When the light is behind you, it's hard for the audience to see your face clearly. Instead, light your face evenly to keep things professional and welcoming. Finally, attire. Dress appropriately for the occasion. Solid, neutral colors work well and minimize distractions. Patterns or flashy colors can be distracting on video, so it's best to keep it simple and polished. Stick with solid colors and professional attire. It helps your audience focus on what you're saying. Keep these tips in mind for your next video presentation: angle, posture, lighting, and attire. With these small adjustments, you'll come across as clear, confident, and professional.